Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see about urinary system. Myself Dr. Ramya, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology, SPS, Vistas. My channel name is Pharmacraft. Urinary system is the main excretory system. It contains two kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder and urethra.
Outline of urinary system. Kidneys secrete urine. Ureters convey the urine from the kidneys to urinary bladder. Bladder urine gets collected and temporarily stored. Urethra urine is discharged from the urinary bladder to the exterior.
The urinary system plays a vital role in maintaining homeostasis of water and electrolyte concentrations within body. The kidneys produce urine that contains metabolic waste products, including the nitrogenous compounds urea and uric acid, excess ions and some drugs. The kidneys lie on the posterior abdominal wall, one on each side of the vertebral column. The right kidney is usually slightly lower than the left, probably due to the space occupied by the liver. A sheath of fibroelastic renal fascia encloses the kidney and the renal fat. Erythropoietin, the hormone that controls the formation of red blood cells. Renin, an important enzyme in the control of blood pressure. Gross structure of kidney. A fibrous capsule surrounding the kidney. The cortex, a reddish-brown layer of tissue immediately below the capsule and outside the pyramids. The medulla, innermost layer, consisting of pale conical-shaped striations, the renal pyramids. The collecting ducts transport urine through pyramids to the renal pelvis, giving them their striped appearance. The hilum is the concave medial border of the kidney where the renal blood and lymph vessels, the ureter nerves enter. The renal pelvis is the funnel-shaped structure that acts as a receptacle for the urine formed by the kidney. It has a number of distal branches called calyces, each of which surrounds the apex of a renal pyramid. Urine formed in the kidney passes through papilla at the apex of a pyramid into minor calyx, then into a major calyx before passing through the pelvis into the ureter. Let's see about the microscopic structure of the kidney. It consists of 1 million functional units, the nephrons, and smaller number of collecting duct. The nephron consists of a tubule at one end, the other end opening into a collecting tubule. The closed blind end is cup-shaped glomerular capsule. It completely encloses a network of arterial capillaries, the glomerulus. The collecting ducts unite, forming larger ducts that empty into the minor calyces. Afferent arterioles deliver blood to the glomerulus, and efferent arterioles carry blood away from the glomerulus. Afferent arterioles are larger in diameter than efferent arterioles. Afferent arterioles are subbranches of the renal artery, and efferent arterioles converge as subbranches of the renal vein.
Formation of urine. 3 processes is involved in formation of urine. Step 1, filtration. Step 2, selective reabsorption. Step 3, secretion. Step 4, excretion. The volume of filtrate formed by both kidneys each minute is called GFR. In a healthy adult, GFR is about 125 milliliter per min.